Hi everyone, Wonder here. In this video, we are going to learning the Microbot, which is easy, small, but very interesting. Let's come to the first part. This is the battery case, ultrasonic sensor connector, buzzer, infrared receiver module, and the two RGB lights. We can insert the microbit here. This is the universal wheel, extension ports for sensors, two light blowers, two motors here. And this is the switch control. You can see there is an ultrasonic sensor in the box. The next one is infrared remote control. When first use it, remember to put out the battery isolation plastic. You may need some batteries. There is a map in the box. Let's come to the NASPA assembly. It's very easy, just need 3 steps. Step 1. Insert the ultrasonic sensor. Please pay attention to the direction. Step 2. Insert the microbit board. 2 programmable buttons must face forward. Step 3. The batteries. The batteries are not included in the package, so you may need to prepare by yourself. The assembly is finished now. Let's come to the next part. App control. First, you need to connect the microbit board into the computer, and then drag the programming into the microbit disk directly. Put back the microbit board into the microboard. Let's open the app to have a look. We can drag here to control the microboard to go forward, backward, and turn. This is the RGB lights. There are also some data of the microboard. We can click here to change to gravity control. It's very easy and interesting. Let's come to the PC software. If you need to use Mako in environment without network, you can install the Mako offline version. The offline version and the web version have the same interface and operation method. Let's download the software together. You can find the software pack in the provided document. Click to download and then open the software to have a look. Before programming, you need to add the expansion pack of Microbot. Click Advanced and then Extensions. Open a web browser and then copy the link. You can find it in the provided documents. Click the box to download. It's time for us to program together. You can find the 2 light blowers on the Microbot. So we are going to use it to program the Microbot to detect and move along on the black line on the map. We can drag the initialize Microbot when the programming starts to let the Microbit recognize the Microbot controller and the sensors. Set the speed of the motor 1 and the motor 2. And then set the condition of the light blower sensor. If a value is true, then do the first block of the statements. Otherwise, do the second block of the statement. We can write the name of the programming as straightforward and then click download. Before downloading, we need to use the USB cable to connect the microbit board to the computer. When switched on, microbot will detect and move along on the black line on the map. We also can see that there are eyes on the microbot. Actually, it is the ultrasonic sensor. We can drag the programming into the microbot directly. When switched on, microbot will go forward until it detects an obstacle ahead. It will stop and turn to avoid obstacles. There are more functions of Microbot are waiting for you to find out. Thanks for your watching in Wonder. Hope this video is helpful for you.